Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I have a very special guest. That was so stupid. This is my husband.
All right, well, start over.
This is my husband. Some of you obviously know him just because of my other social media, and others of you have never seen his face. So today it is like snowing and wet and rainy out. So I'm like, why don't you just do my makeup? And he was like, he's more of the behind the scenes type of person.
I'm the techie guy.
He's the techie guy. So we're drinking and staying in today and thought, let's film a video.
She thought let's film.
So I thought it was fun.
I agreed.
So I'm drinking margaritas. You already finished that beer?
Yeah, I'm gonna need another one, please, before we start.
Okay. What I wanted to do is let him literally, I'm like, what do I do first? And he's like, prime. And then what do I do next? Like, I let him go through the process.
Well, I'm not sure I got it all right, but we'll see.
I think you did. I think you did pretty well.
Yeah, I need a bottle of
and
water. Oops.
Oh, I have a lighter. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
So we're jumping in? Oh, okay.
We gotta jump in.
So you've already washed and primed your face, right?
Yeah. So I've already washed. No, I haven't primed. But I've washed my face.
Well, that's not fair. I've never seen you prime before. Because every time you start your YouTube videos, you're like, so I washed and primed my face, guys. So
I've primed.
I'm not sure.
So what's the primer you picked?
Primer I picked today is Elf.
Elf
Poreless Face Primer.
All right.
And I'm assuming I just take this and...
Are your hands clean?
Yeah, I mean, yeah. I just got out of the shower.
Okay.
So, is this just like a lotion? How much do you usually use? Just tell me that.
I don't think I use that. Oh my god. Ooh.
It's probably like a pore thing, right?
Yeah, it's the...
So I didn't really need to like go all over.
No.
Okay. Alright. Well, there we go. I think we've primed well enough now. Might be a little like oily or something, but yeah, definitely a little oily. Is that normal? You gotta let that dry for a while or what?
You're good. Keep going.
Alright.
This might have been a bad idea.
Oh, it's a bad idea.
What do you do next?
I don't know, you got so much stuff in front of me here. Let me see. I guess just...
I prime and then what?
Concealer, but yeah. That's the stuff. No?
I don't know if I should be telling you. What do I do after primer?
Well, you threw me off because you normally don't have to prime, so I guess... is it that? Foundation? Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte 101. Yeah, that's good enough. I got this beauty blender. Let's see what happens here.
Oh, God.
I mean, it's not going to be too bad. We might have to do a take two of this. I already feel this is going sideways a little bit.
That's a new technique.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought you just...
Good job.
Oh, it's terrible. It's already like crusting up in the creases and stuff.
Thanks.
Oops.
Thanks for... Now what?
I really think we should just like start from scratch again.
You gotta keep going.
I'm not really comfortable with the look of that foundation. Looks terrible. Like, alright, whatever. We'll keep going then. Okay, so we're gonna use the concealer. We've got two kinds today. We've got a Kat Von D and Tarte. Alright, so what I normally like to do is go in with the Kat Von D. It's a lighter shade, and I'll just, you know, 1, 2, 3, and then hit it again on this side. 1, 2, 3. And then come in with the Tarte, just add a little color. Yeah, that should be good. You know, same kind of thing. Oh, that's a lot there. I mean, I'm kind of digging it.
I dig it. Yeah, I dig it.
Like that.
Yeah.
All right. I think we're supposed to blend this in.
Oh, let's hope.
Well, I mean, I'm just not sure with this.
Oh god, I have a feeling you're gonna get it in my eye.
Well, you're not helping it. Look at me a little bit. This is not a very easy setup. Besides
this is terrifying. Oh, that's not bad. There you go.
Okay, so it's about the pat, not the rub. I got you. Jesus.
Now what?
Well, now I'm gonna go in and just we're gonna bake. It's time to bake.
Oh, we're baking.
And this is Maybelline Fit Me. Yeah, so we'll see what happens here. Do I need like a thing for this? Doesn't it normally come inside it?
No.
No. That's not enough anymore. Oh, jeez. Okay, so just baking away. I really hope this camera hides a lot of imperfections.
Me too.
For good measure.
So do you want to, what do you want to do now?
Just start over.
No.
So now I have here Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. So you, okay, all right, well, so I got all this whole array of brushes.
Mm-hmm.
Well, kind of looks like an eyeshadow thing. Yeah, wait, I mean, do you really use all of these?
Yeah.
You do?
I do. On different types of, yeah. That's why they're all dirty.
All right, well, I'm gonna go with this one.
Okay.
I have here a brush.
It's a brush
it's
from
two-sided,
Amazon.
so that even adds to the confusion now. With this side is like a foam, and this one's a little bristle, so...
Use a different brush.
Use a different one?
Yeah.
Alright, good. We're gonna go in with this color shade right here. On the top corner, whatever that is. Alright. So now... Start on this side. I'm just gonna go in, I'm gonna pack it on. Just pack it on, try to get that color in there, you know, just keep packing. I think I was not supposed to go all the way to the corner, though, was I?
You can do whatever you want.
I'm just thinking, now, how am I going to come back in with a new color and blend it? Let me see where your crease is at. Come on. Like, put it up. Put it up a little bit.
Oh, God. I see my light flashing before.
This is horrible. Okay, we're just going to do this guy right here. See what happens. Oops. It got on your face. Whatever. Let's just get this in there. Oh. Hold on. Right here, then maybe give it a little blend. Sorry, it's falling out everywhere.
Me?
Alright, let's start over here. I'll pack that color in. Oh my god. This is all gonna come together with the foundation. Well, not foundation, but the whatever finishings I have next. Should we do one of those little cattail things that come out?
Cattail?
Or
Wing liner?
I know this is. I mean, there's a lot of choices here, so let's go with something bright. I guess we'll keep with the sparkly, you know, color here and go in with this guy.
Oh. Oh, this is terrifying.
Oh, it just fell out everywhere. So now I have this fancy calligraphy pen.
Oh my god.
Now normally this, I gotta go over the top and then, right. You keep moving so much. Is this supposed to go along the bottom now too? Where's one of them makeup wipe things? I mean, I'm not even exactly sure like what look I'm going for here, but it's beautiful. So we have Tarte fancy palette. What do I guess I just pick one of these. We'll use this.
Good job. That's the actual one I used.
The Morphe. Oh, yeah, lucky draw. Okay. I think I'm gonna go with this tan right here. Oh. Oh. We'll go with a little lighter one, then maybe we'll go down here. So you normally just leave the concealer like that?
Just go. God.
Clean that off. Start with this pink one over here. Oh yeah, now we got color. Oh yeah. Coming along just fine. So now we need to get some, what's that called? Contouring going on. Was that supposed to happen before? So we're gonna go back over the blush with the contour because we missed that step. And I'm not sure if this is gonna do anything now, but I guess we want to go in there from the corner of the mouth up. Really extenuate the smile. I need a little bit on the nose here. One on this side. Now, how was that? I mean, so we got Nicole Guerrero, Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, a beautiful head. I'm just gonna go on with something that matches the eyes here, I guess. This daydream color. Stuff falls out easy. And just. Is that not right? I think it's good. Oh yeah. Oh, just glimmering everywhere. Alright. And then I don't think we want to bring attention to anything else, right? You act like I don't know what I'm doing.
Do you wear mascara when I'm not around, Bruce Jenner?
Do we gotta hit the low lashes? Just a little bit. Oh, missed. What do I do about that?
Just leave it. No, I'm not.
I got it on your nose too. Hold on, let me get this off up here.
Why is that wet?
I dipped it in my water cup. Which side does this go on?
This side.
It really does matter?
Yeah, it does matter. Oh my god, I thought that was gonna be way worse than it is.
There's a lot of glue on there though. So we have for the lip, I don't know, it's rubbed off.
It's a color pop.
Something orange-y.
What is up with you at orange?
Well, I just started with that, and that's kind of where everything's going now. It's just, okay, this should be easy. Oh, God. Too wet, you know? Too liquidy. Alright, it's fine. It's fine. Just give me like a little... Yeah, is there a lip liner thing or something so I can fix up everything that's messed up? I'll give you a nice big hump right here.
You ever draw on my lips? Give me DSLs?
Yeah, baby.
I have crooked lips!
Now they're extremely crooked.
You're stabbing me!
No, I'm...
Jesus!
Oh, yeah.
You're carving out lips! I'm not a pumpkin! Setting spray? Lock it all in!
Hold on. Yep, alright. Time to set this bitch.
Jesus. I'm ready to look.
Have at it. Not too bad, right?
Wow. That f***ing wing. The lashes, I'm shocked. Oh, we forgot to do eyebrows. Should we say it?
It's too late in the game.
Alright, we'll just... He didn't
Do you have
do
any orange eyebrows?
No, we're not doing...
No.
I'm glad that you actually took this more serious than I thought you would.
I could have...
You could have went totally cray, but you didn't.
I mean, the outcome doesn't make it look like I took it
No,
very serious.
not at all. But this was fun. I wanted to do something different on my channel. My next 2 videos are going to be from... My cousin's coming in town next week, so we're going to film a couple like challenge videos. I wanted to do something a little different and wanted him on my channel, but maybe next time I'll do his makeup. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it, and I will see you on my next one. Thank you, babe.
Love you, babe.
Love you. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.